Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package here from Shining Stars Boutique on Etsy. And let's see what is inside. I like the packaging. It's making me excited to see what's inside. Always okay. Okay, it says, oh my goodness, I'm super excited. Thank you so much for your order, Tammy. I hope that you enjoy them. Happy planning. Or happy summer. Oh my goodness. Okay. I have purchased from her before and I really liked her things, and I saw some new things and I thought, ooh, I need them in my life. So look at her fun packaging. This ribbon is adorable. You know I'm going to keep that and reuse it on something. Or not ribbon, but yarn or whatever it is. Shining Stars Boutique. Adorable accessories to make your little angel shine. Jessica Gilbert. So there's that. Made with love. Thank you. How cute. And then there's even some glittery washi underneath all of this. How cute is this? Packaging is super cute. Oh boy. Are you as excited as I am? This is kind of cute too, how she has this packaging. Okay, so, and she has, so when it says your little angel shine, she really means like your little girl or boy or whatever, because she has barrettes that you can use. But she also sells planner stickers, or planner clips. And this one is a little jellyfish. How cute is that? Oh my word. I love it. And this one is a little fish. Those are my pups. Sorry. Not sorry really, but sorry. And a cute little peacock. Oh my goodness. I got some of these for my friends, but now I'm looking at them and I'm going, oh gosh, I'd like to have them. This one is a moose for my little Waylon Moose McGee. And a cute watermelon. Oh my goodness. And a rainbow fish. So these three I was going to use on MD cards. And these two I'm going to use on MD cards. And then this one is for me. So that's how I plan on doing these. And we'll see how it comes out. But oh my gosh, I am loving them. They are super cute. Now this is for me too, and this is a clip that will hold my badge at work. And it's a cute hedgehog! Oh my goodness, with a flower in its hair. This is adorable. What a nice little thing. How cute is that? Oh, I love it. So you guys need to check out Shining Stars Boutique on Etsy. I'll try to remember to link it below. If I forget, let me know. But, yeah, this is super cute. She does a really great job, and they're all felt. I need to figure out which one of these I want to keep and which two I want to give away, because I'd like them all. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.